Today we'll talk about how can you enable quick trading on your FxPro app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on trading settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to quick trading here. Just click in this sign. So that like you see this color show for us. That's mean here quick trading. It's enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you agree it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.